Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the TECKKIN 61XL ink cartridge replacement for HP printers. This high-capacity combo pack includes one black and one tricolor cartridge for your home office. You can expect a higher page yield with up to 712 pages for black ink. The tricolor cartridge delivers 429 vibrant pages at 5% coverage on standard paper. These cartridges work perfectly with many HP DeskJet, Envy, and OfficeJet printer models for reliable results. Simply follow the included user guide for a quick and easy installation process in your machine. Enjoy sharp text and bright colors for all your important documents and creative printing projects today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.